Determinant method and Cramer's rule. In Cramer's rule, we are given two equations. Compare with a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2. Get the value of a1, b1 and c1, also of a2, b2 and c2, placing these values in the formulae. D is equals to a1 b1 a2 b2. Dx is equals to c1 b1 c2 b2. Dy equals to a1 c1 a2 c2. You can remember as in dx we have to eliminate the constant of x variable, that is a1 and a2, from d and put the c constants, that is c1 and c2. Similarly, in dy we have to eliminate the constants of y variable, that is b1 and b2, and replace with the c constant,
that is C1 and C2, solving the determinant and getting the values of dx and dy. But still we have to find x and y by the formulae. X is equal to dx by d and y is equal to dy by d, hence finding the solution. We will understand better by solving a sum. Question is, solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Now, let's see our equations. We have 2x plus 3y equals to 2 and x minus y upon 2 equals to 1 by 2.
Comparing the equation 1 with a1x plus b1y equals to c1, we get a1 as 2, b1 as 3 and c1 as 2. Comparing the equation 2 with a2x plus b2y equals to c2, we get a1 as 1, b2 as minus 1 by 2, c2 as 1 by 2. After applying the formula, d equals to a1 b1 a2 b2, and further solving it, we get the answer as minus 4. Now dx equals to c1 b1 c2 b2. After solving this, we get the answer as minus 5 by 2. Now dy is equal to a1 c1 and a2 c2. After solving, we get the answer. Now applying the formula of x equals to dx by d and solving it, we get the answer as 5 by 8, and y equals to dy by d and solving it, we get the answer as 1 by 4. Therefore solution x comma y is equal to 5 by 8 comma 1 by 4.
Equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. Practice set 1.4. In this exercise, we will see how non-linear equations can be converted into linear equations and find their solution. There are mainly two types and we will see each of them. Step 1 is to substitute the common terms in both the equations. Step 2 is to solve the equation. And step 3 is to resubstitute the equations and find the solution. Step 4, which is mainly used in type 2, solve the equation and get the solution. Before going to the exercise, let's take a look on the following solved example. Type 1. So question 1 is 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15 and 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. So considering the first equation, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. This can also be written as 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y, which is equal to 15. Now replace 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n, and we get 2m minus 3n is equal to 15, which is equation number 1. Considering the second equation, 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. This can also be written as 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 77. So here, replacing 1 upon x by m and 1 upon y by n, we get 8m plus 5n is equal to 77 is the equation number 2. Solving the equation by multiplying the equation 1 by 5 and equation number 2 by 3, we get 10m minus 15n is equal to 75, which is equation number 3, and 24m plus 15n is equal to 231, which is equation number 4. Here, solving both the equations, we get 34m is equal to 306 and m is equal to 306 upon 34. Therefore, m is equal to 9. So now put m is equal to 9 in equation number 1 where we get n is equal to 1. So we get the answers as m is equal to 9 and n is equal to 1. Now resubstituting m and n with 1 upon x and 1 upon y, we get 1 upon x is equal to 9 and 1 upon y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 upon 9, y is equal to 1. Therefore, the solution is x and y is equal to 1 upon 9 and 1 respectively. Type 2. So the question 1 of type 2 is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 2 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So considering the first equation 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. So substituting 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n, we get m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. Now multiplying the equation by 4, we get 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. That is equation number 1. Now consider the second equation 1 upon 2 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Therefore, we get 1 upon 2 into m minus 1 upon 2 into n is equal to minus 1 upon 8 by substituting m is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and n is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Now, multiplying the equation by 8, we get 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1, which is equation number 2. Now, solving equation number 1 and equation number 2, we get m is equal to 1 upon 4 and n is equal to 1 upon 2. Now resubstituting m is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and n is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y, we get 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now we get a different set of equations, that is 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Therefore, by solving these equations, we get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Therefore, the solution x, y is equal to 1, 1. Thank you for watching this video and keep watching the Academic Squad.